In this video, we are going to give a walkthrough of the Timetics overview feature and its use cases. After logging in to the Timetics dashboard, you'll be directed to this overview page. Here, you can see the data of your total bookings, revenue, and customers, get an analytical report, and see upcoming booking lists. You can even change the attributes the way you want to get the data. There are 5 options available for you to set them up. You can see your booking data will instantly showcase the reports depending on how you want to use them. For daily to quarterly analytics, you can set them up as per your need. From the report section, you can see reports of the booked and even the cancelled events. You can track them weekly or monthly. From the View All Meetings, you can get into your booking page, leverage help from the support team, read documentation of any feature, and also send requests for features that you feel would be efficient for you. Thank you for watching the video, and make sure to follow our socials.